Hey, good morning. Good morning. Here we are getting ready for our Unit 5 discussion. And I just wanted to give you a little introduction and kind of my feelings about it. We got four big topics and they're all related to, these three, A through E, F through L, and uh, these three related to imaging, I guess I'm going to say, or kind of related to imaging, because I think that's one of the most important uses that we have for optical instruments of any sort. Now, there are others, like I mentioned up here, uh, spectroscopy. That's very useful as well, but we don't really cover too much information about that, so I've kind of left that off the topics I think, for a reason. But let's talk about these. We have one of the things, at least for me, when we used to think of optics, we would think of telescopes. But I think telescopes that most people think of when they first put an image of one in their mind, they think of them as different types, and I think there really might be. So you might want to kind of look then do some research on this and some telescope topics, and I guess you can Google it and just see what you come up with. Also, on the other end of things, microscopes of different types are very useful for looking at uh, uh, very small objects in very tight places. And microscopes, don't think of the ones you used to use in high school biology. Think of ones that you know about now. Well, you can think about those from biology, but you might find something more interesting that are used on more elaborate experiments. Um, let's see. Then the other number three here is looking at radio telescopes. And I know I said imaging. Imaging with a radio telescope is a little bit different, or a lot different, than with an optical telescope. So if you choose that one, you don't have to do imaging, but it would be really nice to see more about how that's accomplished, because that's, I think, interesting. I think you guys would like that. Okay, let's see, what was it? Oh yeah, finally, X-rays. X-rays will pass through a lot of materials, and that's how we think of them usually. When people break an arm or something, they will go to the hospital and get an X-ray on their broken bone, and that allows the doctor to correctly diagnose it and begin the healing process. But they have other applications too, so don't forget those. Don't forget that, because you might find it very cool to try that, to look in those applications, because there are some X-ray applications in astronomy, for that matter. But don't think about that unless you want to do it. That's it, I guess. I hope you have a good week this week, and I hope to see you, some of you anyway, on Monday night at the final Zoom session. So you have a good couple of days, good weekend. Maybe watch some football tomorrow, and I'll talk to you Monday.